This week we'll be making lemon garlic chicken. And these are the ingredients that we'll be needing. So to marinate first, right here I have one chicken breast. I have sliced it already. 6 cloves of garlic. Lemon juice, we'll be needing 1 tablespoon. Salt, pepper, sugar, as well as all-purpose flour. And now we can start marinating. Alright, so now we'll be adding in half a teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of pepper. Mix it. Once the salt and pepper has already been added in, we are going to leave it for about 15 minutes just to marinate. And now the 6 cloves of garlic, we'll just chop it into thin slices. You can just chop it coarsely. And now for the 6 cloves of garlic, we can just cut it into thin slices like this. Just roughly chop it. Alright, so now we'll be adding in 1 teaspoon of sugar into the bowl. And the bowl already had 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. So just add in 1 teaspoon of sugar into this. Okay, now keep it aside and we'll move on to the next one. For this, add in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to the chicken and just mix it. Once it's mixed, keep it aside first, and now we'll move on to the next bit. And now to the cooking bit. We are going to fry the chicken pieces first, so add it all in one by one. And now we'll just let it fry until it becomes a nice golden brown. Once the frying is all done, now we can add in 15 grams of butter. And now add in garlic, 6 cloves of garlic. Fry it. And now you can add in 1 teaspoon of all-purpose flour and just mix, mix, mix. And right after, I'm adding in mixed herbs, roughly about 1 teaspoon. Mix it. And now I'll be adding in the lemon and sugar mixture. Add in the chicken pieces. Mix everything. And now I am just adding in extra lemon juice that is mixed with sugar. This is so that the chicken pieces are all nicely coated with that lemon juice. And for garnishing, add in spring onions so that your dish looks a whole lot nicer, presentation-wise. Just leave it for about an additional 20 seconds and then we are done. And there you have it, lemon garlic chicken made at home. Absolutely simple and easy to make. If you liked it, do make sure to give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.